back already.
It's taking you to open this gate. What's wrong with you?
Now they do my work now.
What kind of silly work you do? You eat every day and you don't do nothing.
Okay, they try. They try.
Get the fuck up and lock up the gate. What's going on?
Peter, what do you think you are doing?
Why is everybody's face looking as if there's war around this corner? What's going on, man?
Do you see the woman that just left here? Do you see her?
I've seen so many girls today, man. Which of the local bitches are you talking about?
Tell me, you just be serious for once.
Shut the fuck up! Now let me warn you. My name is DPB. Don Peter Bomboski. And one more thing. Anytime I'm talking this shit with my mom and you put your mouth, I'm gonna block off your game eyes. You get that? What's up, man? What are you saying?
Peter, what did you do to Mrs. Z's daughter?
Oh, you know how we do it. You're scared. So damn thing. That's what we do.
Oh, damn! Shit! Oh!
Don't reply me like that.
You don't want to slap, mom?
You want to slap me? Or you give me back?
Mommy, please.
Slap me back, Peter!
Mommy, please.
Now, mommy, let me warn you. Don't you ever, ever, try this again. Because if you do, get the fuck out of my way.
Peter! Peter, you pushed me? Paul, call your father here. Peter, you say you pushed me?
Let me get my phone.
Hey! Make una see person see wahala. Now somebody do something, another person dey suffer. Which kind of house be this now? Which kind? I don tire. See as they don beat me to pop now. What I do? Like criminal. Eh? Madam go do. Oga Peter go do. I don tire. Which kind of work be this one? Which kind of work be this one? Person go die. I go die.